Hi everyone, I am here today to show you a quick overview of some job search resources to help you either start or continue an effective job search. So I'm going to be showing you resources on the Career and Leadership Development Center's webpage specific to job searching resources. One thing I really like on this page is that right at the top it emphasizes that looking for jobs on websites or search engines is really important, but that it's only part, a small part, honestly, of a really effective job search. Having a diverse set of strategies, including networking, which can involve talking to people you already know, or reaching out and making connections with people you don't know, getting a plan for when you plan to start searching, what success would look like, what kind of job you want, where you can move, what the cost of living is. Doing this kind of research and information gathering is also part of a job search. And we do encourage you to consider meeting with one of the coaches in our office to help you feel confident about the plan that you're hatching, but also to help you create a timeline. And we can also do mock interviews to help you once you secure that request for an interview to show what you've got. So on this page, there's some emphasis about job and internship tools, and it really pushes Handshake, which is our platform in the Career and Leadership Development Center for job and internship searching, and it's relevant to many different students or alumni. So if you have already graduated, you also have access to this. But Handshake is something that you can log into with single sign-on, which means that you can log in with your Ohio University credentials. So the CLDC works with employers to post opportunities here, to share events, and then employers will use this to seek candidates or schedule interviews or any kind of outreach to build interest in their employment opportunities as well. So it's mutually beneficial. This is one of the largest job search platforms that college and universities use. Hundreds of different career centers are using this, and employers post to many, many different places. So you have the advantage of seeing jobs from all over the country in this platform. So I have already logged in to the student-facing version of Handshake. So once you log into your own, this is what it will look like. So like many other social media pages or just personal profile web pages that you might have seen before, you'll notice in the top right corner a picture, which is a picture of me, and a drop-down menu, and this is how I'll manage navigating. So if you haven't logged into Handshake before, a great place to start is by updating your profile. This is pretty intuitive, where you'll fill in information about yourself, including what you've studied, what kind of work experience you have, and you can continue to add more and more details, especially if you look at the kind of jobs that you're interested in and consider what skills and accomplishments that they might be looking for. So definitely start with filling in that profile, and it will also give the system more information about the kinds of opportunities you might be seeking. So the more detail you provide to Handshake, the more customized the opportunities will be that are shared to you. So I've clicked on the job search tab. This is where you can look for all different types of opportunities, and there are a number of different filters that you can explore. So I'm going to stop there with Handshake to allow time for a couple other demonstrations here. I've included USA Jobs on this list of sites that I want to share with you because the federal government is constantly hiring students of all majors and academic areas. So I encourage you to consider federal employment. And there are a lot of different pathways to federal opportunities. They host a number of interns. Here's a list of hiring paths from their website. So they definitely have they strongly encourage veterans to consider applying. There's also a lot of inclusion-related programs, specifically for students with disabilities, multicultural students. There's information about service programs like Peace Corps and AmeriCorps Vista. So this is another great tool to consider using. And they also have been hosting virtual events, which is another professional development opportunity. Some other sites that you'll see on here featured on this list include Idealist, which is a nonprofit job search tool, or jobs related to what they call bettering society. And this is an international search tool, so that is of interest to a lot of students. Indeed and Glassdoor are both relatively similar. They're both meta search sites pulling from many different search tools. Glassdoor is popular because it includes a lot of reviews about different companies. And then many students who are interested in either academia or an administration role in higher education, or interested in higher ed jobs, It is not the only job search site for academic related jobs, but it's one of the more popular tools. So those are just a few tools I'm going to highlight on this job search website on the CLDC page, but I encourage you to check out these and to reach out for more guidance. Consider meeting with a coach to hatch your plan today.